insignificant right now. However, there
I
is
don't know,
random snow
you
starting
see,
to
want to
act
eat,
in the
I have to check with the vet, make sure I'm feeding him enough.
Up towards
He's
our
not
past
skinny,
Eagle, you
I
may
don't
see
know.
some snow showers here over the next
I
hour.
think he's young.
Other than that, it's
He's
kind of
off
off and on with the light snow through the noon hour. Now, afternoon, in fact, exactly after 12 o'clock, we'll see that blizzard warning go into effect. It lasts all the way through the 6 p.m. hour of tomorrow, so this storm is very long in duration. Heavy snow and wind likely, gusts to 45 miles an hour possible, and there will be whiteout conditions at times, with snowfall rates between 2 to 3 inches an hour during the overnight hours. So definitely not a good time to be on the roads for this evening. All right, the track of the storm is key in determining how much snowfall
I'm going to send them
we'll
this.
see. Right now, we are projecting the center of the storm, represented by this capital L. This is basically a center of low pressure. We're expecting it to be just offshore from Nantucket. This will put us on the colder or snowy side of that storm. However, there is a warmer, rainy side to the storm. Right now, I'm expecting some rain snow mixing out towards the Cape, but it's possible it pushes further to the west, out towards eastern Massachusetts, maybe even as far west as Little Compton or Newport. So that is something we will really keep an eye on, because any rain mixing could drastically affect those snowfall accumulations. In terms of conditions right now, over Providence, we have seen some flurries. Temperature is 28 degrees, winds out of the north at 8 miles an hour. Other temperatures checking in, 28 in Taunton, 30 New Bedford, 29 Westerly, and 29 degrees in Newport. Notice most of our spots are below freezing, and even though most of those main roads are okay, some of those side roads could be slick. Here's a wider view. Notice this wall of snow represented by the blue, and then the wall of rain represented by the green. We do stay on the snowy side of the storm system for at least most of the time. Now, to really capture the energy of the storm, we have to widen out the view. Notice the spotlight right here. This is really the center of the storm. This energy will push just offshore from us as we go into the evening and overnight hours, and that's what will be a key ingredient to really get that snow and wind going. Let's take you through hour by hour with our futurecast. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, and again, some light snow showers off and on. It's afternoon through the 3, 4, 5 p.m. hour where the snow starts to pick up. Notice the shades of blue become darker, representing that heavier snow. And then that snow really picks up through the late night hours into midnight. I'm stopping it right around midnight. Notice the blue representing the snow. Now, an interesting thing that this computer model is doing, notice the green pushing to the west of Providence, representing rain. I don't quite buy this scenario. I think this model is being a little bit too aggressive in pushing the rain over Providence. I think we stay mostly snow here in the capital city, with mixing possible across places like New Bedford into the southeastern shore of Rhode Island. So we'll keep an eye on this, because any little change in track could drastically affect those snowfall accumulations. And tomorrow morning, we're still snowing in Providence, at least during the early time frame. This afternoon, some light snow getting going at 1 o'clock, 31 degrees. We gradually pick up these snowfall rates between 3 and 5, and then those breezes become downright windy by the afternoon with some gusts over 30 miles an hour. And then as we go into the overnight hours, some gusts over 40 are possible. So tonight, this is the thick of the storm when we see the whiteout conditions. Not a good time to be on the roads at all. Temperatures in the 20s, and some of those roads could be slick with those blizzard-like conditions. Here is that accumulation map, the map you have all been waiting for. 15 to 20 inches possible for northwestern Rhode Island. I have Providence Metro in this 10 to 15-inch swath, including Attleboro, Newport, and Narragansett. And then look at this little sliver right here, which New Bedford is in 6 to 10 inches. I am limiting those accumulations because of a rain mixing issue. However, 6 to 10, I mean, that's still a pretty big snowstorm. And then out across Cape Cod, 1 to 6 inches. East of the Cape Cod Canal, not expecting much at all, as that will be mostly rain. 7-day futurecast shows blowing and drifting snow possible on Monday afternoon, but most of the snow is over with by that point.
Thanks so much, Pete.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Up next this Sunday morning.